everyone. This is Dr. Professor Shubir Sen here, and I am the principal of Vedanta College, Kolkata. As you are aware, Vedanta College, Kolkata got its affiliation from the renowned University of Calcutta sometime around in September 2020, and it's commenced operations from 1st of January 2021. As of now, I am the principal of the campus. I bring in more than 2.5 decades of experiences, which captures roughly 1 decade in the industry with PricewaterhouseCoopers in the areas of forensic audit, management control systems, and business consulting, with another 1.5 decades in academia, research, and institution building. In the last 1.5 decades of my experiences in institution building, I have signed off various international collaborations, brought in new products, changes in curriculum, and have also participated successfully in various national and international accreditations like NAAC, NIRF, and NBA. As of now, from the 1st of January 2020, Vedanta College, Kolkata has commenced its operations. As you are also aware that the Vedanta College, Kolkata, backed by the Vedanta Group, which is one of the leading industrial houses in the country, which has been founded by Chairman Mr. Anil Agarwal. The Vedanta College, Kolkata is very conveniently located in the eastern fringes of the city and closely connected by the Eastern Metropolitan Bypass. The college is affiliated to the University of Calcutta, which was established in the year 1857 and is assessed by NAAC as a potential University of Excellence, also accredited by UGC. In the NIRF rankings, it is ranked the 7th and has also produced several Nobel laureates and scientists across the world renowned. As of now, University of Calcutta houses more than 150 affiliated colleges offering courses in Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Sciences, and Bachelor of Commerce, and Vedanta College Kolkata is one of the newest additions in the affiliations to the University of Kolkata. Having commenced its operations from the 1st of January, Vedanta College Kolkata proudly announces that it has a very competent and able faculty team which draws in some of the best from the academia and the intelligentsia, combining the IITs, the Presidency University, St. Xavier's, and the like. Given that we are currently going through a COVID-19 lockdown, as per the UGC, the central government, and the state government guidelines, the classes for Vedanta College Kolkata started online using Google Meet from the 1st of January. Students very reciprocally welcomed the faculty and enjoyed the learning experiences conducted by the faculty. During the first semester, combining from the January to March, we completed around more than 850 hours of online classes, and also various assignments, projects, and internal evaluations were given out by the faculty using various online technologies. And we also completed successfully the online examinations of the University of Kolkata sometime in around the last week of March, and the students, I must say, very reciprocally responded to the same. The college houses a very modern infrastructure. It is very well covered and secured through closed circuit cameras to ensure protection of its students from both the genders. It has very modern laboratories and a library and a modern infrastructure, and also a very competent IT lab which will focus on developing the computing skills of the students. Still, as of now, I must say, the students have responded very positively in the online teaching initiatives of Vedanta College Kolkata. I understand we are going through a lockdown phase, but the faculty and the students are taking best of the initiatives to bring in the teaching, learning initiatives to the classroom. And I must say, I am shortly looking forward to welcoming the students on the campus once the COVID-19 norms are eased out. And I'm sure over the 3 years, the students are going to have a very vibrating experiences in the campus, which will not only promote their academic excellence, but also groom their skills, which will ensure that they will be promptly responded and welcomed from the industry. Best wishes to all. Thank you.